Hello. In this session, I'll be teaching you how to construct this exercise 9 sketch using AutoCAD. For that, I'll try to draw this gear which is inside of 64 and 55 diameter first by taking this vertical and horizontal axis lines. Let me check the units first. Units, I need to set it to millimeters. Yes, it is there by default. So now, by keeping ortho on, I'll try to draw a 150 mm axis line. Why 150? Why can't it be more than that or less than that? Means here, what I'm planning here is, now overall size, if you look at overall height of the sketches, the outer diameter is 82 followed by one more 82. Let us take roughly it is around 130, 140. Okay, so for that reason I'm taking more than that. Okay, axis line. Then what happens, whatever the circles I'm going to draw after this will come sit appropriately on the axis line. Okay, now I'm going to draw 64 and 55 on that same axis line. Let me convert this axis line to a center line with 2H color. Now I'll move this axis line to some other new location. Okay, because it is nearby the coordinate, which is coordinate system, which is very much clumsy, so I took it away. Now I'll go with center diameter, center and diameter, because it is 64 diameter given. I'll draw somewhere. Before that, let me draw one horizontal also. Let me draw one horizontal line of some infinite distance. Then now I'll convert this line also as a center line followed by the color 2H. Now I'll take a 64 circle. Then again, one more circle is 55. Oh, it went wrong. Excuse. One more circle is 55. Yes, I got two circles. Now have a look. These two circles have drawn. One is 64, one is 55. A gear like sketch is created with 12 gears. So I need to create one shape. Rest I just try to array it. Okay, in between those two. So here the offset given is 7. This 7 should be given to the complete width actually, but there is some printing mistake, I think so. So directly what I'll try to do, I'll offset O, enter, through enter this line to an offset distance of 3.5. Similarly, this line to an offset distance of 3.5. So I'll trim unwanted, TR, double enter. This line is not required. These lines are not required. Okay, let me convert these two lines also into a continuous line. Continuous line. Now here one more unwanted is this circle is not required now. We got that shape. This is not required. This is also. Only axis is enough. Okay, we got one gear feature. So simply I'll try to array it. ARR is the option. Array this line followed by the top curve and the line. Select. I want it to be a polar array with respect to the center, but I want 12 number of copies which are given in the question. Okay, now unwanted things are, these things are unwanted, these are not required. Slowly try to trim unwanted, then definitely you get the required shape. These are unwanted, these are unwanted. So slowly we are going to get that shape done completely. Okay, now one more outer circle is of 82 diameter. Let me draw that 82 by taking center and diameter from this center. 82 is the diameter. Got it. Now if you look at the sketch, there is a circle to the bottom left corner of diameter 12, because 6 holes 12 diameter are given. These are the 6 holes. These are 1, 2, these are 4 holes. Okay, so this is maintaining 12 diameter. For that, at an offset distance of 41, because 82 is given, 41, one vertical will come, and from 35 offset distance, one horizontal will come. Accordingly, I'll draw. I need to offset this O, enter through enter this line to an offset distance of 35, that is 1, and this line to an offset distance of 41. We got the intersection. At this intersection, I need to draw a circle of 6 dia. Let me check 6 or not. This one. 12 dia, sorry, 12 dia. Diameter should be 12. So delete, again redraw, diameter itself is 12. Okay. Now to the outer periphery there is one more 12 radius. Radius is 12. So I'll try to take center radius. This one. Radius is 12. Two are created. Other sides I'll try to draw the vertical line. Okay. Now this radius, there is a radius going on here, this side and this side, of 53 radius. Here it is given 53 radius, but the arrow is not properly shown, but still we'll try to take this 53 radius from the same center. From the same center, I'll try to take 53 radius. This is one circle. Now I'll draw a line L enter from this quadrant till this quadrant. TR double enter. Unwanted things I'll remove. Excuse. This is one more. This is not required. And this is also not required, because other half I'm going to mirror. Okay, this is how you get. And again I'll continue with the line enter, L enter, this line till this point. I'll extend it. Then I'll use EX double enter. This line I would like to extend. Then TR double enter. This is not required now because I'm going to mirror it. Till now, till this point it is right. This also not required. This curve and the other curve. We got a shape. Almost. Bottom part is done. So we need to work on this inclination of 30 degrees. Inclination of 30 degrees. For that, what I'll do, simply I'll just draw a line of some infinite distance. Then I would like to rotate this line with respect to the bottom by turning off ortho to 30 degrees, which is given. Select M, enter to move with this corner to the center. Done. Okay, this is how I have planned. Okay, now if you look at the sketch properly, here it has shown from the circumference of 82 diameter, 24 and 20 at two offset distance of 24 and 20, two circles are constructed with 12 diameter. So I'll try to plan this 24 or 20 in this style. Have a look. So I'll take a circle from this circumference. One is 24. Okay, and again from this circumference one more is 20. These are the two circles. So I'll try to keep point PO, enter. I'll try to keep one point here and one more point here. Sorry, PO, enter, one more point at this intersection. Okay. Now this is how. Sorry, yeah, it is looking. So this circle is not required now. That is the circle I have drawn only for the reference. Okay, at these two markings. At these two markings, I need to draw two more circles of 12 dia. Let me take center diameter 12 and one more 12. Now the reference is done, points are not required. Simply you can select and that can be deleted. This is how it look like. Now from this circle there is one more radius given, which is 13 radius. Let me draw with center radius. This has the center 13. Okay. Now the 13 is having two tangential lines on either sides. So that I just try to create by offset option. O, enter, through, enter. I want this line to be at a distance of 13 and again to the other side also 13. Now try to remove unwanted by using trim command so that you'll get the shape. These all are not required. These things I can remove simply, or else you can delete also after trimming. This is how it look like. Let me take the extension of this line. Okay, here is a fillet, small, tr, enter, double enter. This is also not required. This is not required. This is also not required. Now we are done with our sketch almost. Sorry, here unwantedly some portion got deleted. So tr, double enter. This portion need to be removed. This one and the other one. Here is a fillet of radius. Have a look, 12. Take fillet. Select the first line. Radius of 12. Enter. Second. Select the second one. You got it. Okay. Now, is there anything else remaining? No. Actually, this line is supposed to be like a center line with 2H color. Now I'll try to mirror everything to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the advantage of using or having symmetrical components. Okay, I want this to be mirrored with respect to vertical. No, this is how it look like. Okay, if you look at the sketch, there is some deficiency. What is that? This should be 22 radius. That I do by using again fillet option. Select one line, give a radius of 22, select the next one. This is how the shape look like. Now I'll select the complete sketch. I'll change the thickness. I'll change the color. Now axis should never be colored or thickness should never be increased. So I just try to delete them. This is how the sketch look like. Okay. If it is zoom it out, Z enter, A enter, it will come sit according to the dimensions. Okay. This is all for the exercise. If you have any queries related, you can comment in the box given below. Thank you.